Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the motion of a charged particle in a uniform magnetic field. Means a charged particle is moving in a uniform magnetic field. Let us suppose this is the uniform magnetic field and the direction of magnetic field is into the plane. Because this is a cross, that means magnetic field is inside the plane. Okay, let us suppose a charge is moving in this direction with the velocity v having charge q, okay, and mass is small m. If the charge will enter in the magnetic field, the velocity of the charged particle is in this direction and magnetic field is into the plane. That means there will be a magnetic force that will be upside. And how much force? That is F is equals to QVP sine theta. There will be some cases. First case, if theta is equals to 0 degree. Theta is equals to 0 degree. Theta equals to 0 degree means angle between V and B is 0. Angle between velocity and magnetic field is 0. That means if the magnetic field is in this direction and velocity is in the same direction, okay, if both are in the same direction, that means F is equals to 0. F is equals to 0 because the sine theta will be 0, sine 0 will be 0. F is equals to 0, that means no force is acting. Means if the charge is moving along the magnetic field, means in the direction of magnetic field, no force is acting. That means the velocity, change in velocity is 0. There is no acceleration, no. Means without any effect, means with a constant velocity, it will continue its motion. Next point, that is if theta is equals to 90 degree, means angle between magnetic field and velocity is 90 degree. This is the case. Magnetic field is inside and velocity is in this direction. The force will be upside. The charge will move upside like that. If the charge is here, the force is in this direction, sorry, velocity is in this direction, and magnetic field in this direction, force will be in this direction. That means the charge will continue its motion like that. At that point, the velocity will be upside, magnetic field inside, the force will be toward the center. It will rotate like that. Means it will make a complete circle. It will, at that point velocity is downward, magnetic field inside, force will be toward the center, okay. At that point, force will be always toward the center. That means there will be a centripetal force at any point. Let us suppose at that point there will be a centripetal force and there will be a magnetic force. This is the magnetic force and there is a centripetal force. You all know that magnetic force is F is equals to QVB because angle is 90 degree and FC is equals to mv square by, let us suppose the radius is small r, mv square by. Come equate this mv square by r, that will be equals to QVB. One velocity will be cancelled and r will be equals to mv upon qb. This is the radius of the circle in which the charged particle is moving in a uniform magnetic field, that is equals to mv upon qvb. Okay, uh, you know that if the charged particle is in motion, that means t will be is equals to 2 pi r upon v. Velocity is equals to displacement upon time. The time period will be equals to 2 pi upon v. In place of r you can write mv upon qb. V cancel out, 2 pi m upon qb. This is the formula for the time period of the charged particle, means time taken to complete one cycle in the uniform magnetic field. 1 upon t, you know that this is frequency, and this will be equals to qb upon 2 pi m. Hope you are getting. Means in first case there will be no force, means without any effect, the charge will continue its motion. It will not deaccelerate or it will not accelerate. In second point, when the velocity of the charged particle is just perpendicular to the magnetic field, or in other words we can say that charged particle is entering in the magnetic field perpendicularly. When this will happen, this is not possible that only the charged particle will enter in a at 0 degree or 90 degree. Let us suppose the charged particle enters the magnetic field at any arbitrary angle, that is theta. Okay, any arbitrary angle theta. Let us suppose this is the direction of magnetic field, okay, and this is the perpendicular direction, and at that particular angle with the magnetic field velocity, charged particle enters. Means velocity is making angle theta with the magnetic field. Charged particle is not entering perpendicular. Let us suppose this is the magnetic field and this is the velocity. This is the perpendicular velocity, but let us suppose this is making an angle theta. Okay. The velocity component may be resolved in two components. What? Along the magnetic field component, and perpendicular to the magnetic field component. Means this theta, this velocity can be break into the component that is along the magnetic field and that is perpendicular to the magnetic field. This situation will be converted into first and second part. Okay, let us suppose the velocity in the magnetic field direction is v cos theta, and the magnetic field in this perpendicular direction is v sin theta. Only perpendicular component will be responsible to rotate the charged particle in a circle, because there was not any effect of magnetic field in the first case. Only the charged particle is in motion in the second part. That part when the charged particle is moving perpendicular to the magnetic field. That means v sin theta means perpendicular component of the velocity will make the charged particle to revolve in the circle. But the charged particle is also have a velocity component along the magnetic field. That means the charged particle will continue its motion in the direction of magnetic field. Charged particle is also rotating in a circle and also going forward, means along the magnetic field. The charged particle will move in the helix like a spring path. Okay, the charged particle will move in a circle, the charged particle will move in a helix or a spring like path. Okay, hope you are getting. Means the charged particle will move will make circle and will move forward both. Okay. uh, when the charged particle is rotating, same magnetic force and centripetal force will be equal. Magnetic force will be m v sin theta, sorry, q v b is equals to m in place of v sin theta whole square upon r. In place of v, we will take perpendicular component, because only perpendicular component will be responsible to rotate the charged particle in a circle. Okay, v sin theta cancel out. R will be is equals to mv sin theta upon qb. This is the radius for the charged particle. And you know that, sorry, capital T is equals to what? 2 pi r upon v. What v? V only perpendicular component, that is v sin theta. Put the value of r, 2 pi upon v sin theta into, in place of r, mv sin theta upon qb. V sin theta cancel out. 2 pi m upon qd. This is the formula for time period. And for frequency, qb upon 2 pi m. This formula for the frequency and for the time period is same as if the particle is entering at 90-degree angle. I hope you are getting, and thanks for watching.